Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today working on one of our favorite vehicles in the shop, as it seems. It's a Mini Cooper. What a surprise. And this one has brought my man Drew down to his knees, sadly. What are we doing today, Drew?
We are replacing a door lock actuator.
What's that all about?
Basically nowadays, not too many cars have the manual lock unlock. They have electronic solenoids within the latch. So when you hit your remote to unlock or lock your vehicle, it's all done electronically through this. This one has an issue where sometimes it doesn't fully engage or disengage. And the issue this customer is having when they try to lock their car at night, it'll stick and the solenoid will stay partially energized, not fully released, and is causing a draw in the system, killing the battery overnight. And so we're replacing that to fix the draw, but obviously to change this, the whole door frame comes off the vehicle. And this is the whole regulator assembly.
It's like, what, a couple of bolts?
Yeah, just a couple. We have door panels up here, window glass up here, window glass
Up here? Way up here.
Yeah, we gotta work on our videographer.
Well.
Yeah. So anyways, these issues kind of common and not too cheap. As you can see, it's more labor intensive than probably the price of the part.
I wouldn't say that. I would disagree with that.
Okay, well,
you don't know the price of the part.
I'm just the re guy, so.
There you have it, folks. If you got a Mini Cooper, need some diagnosis on electrical draws or issues, we're the place to be. Urban Automotive, 497 Maple Grove Drive. Safety first. Thanks for watching.